What's up, guys? Sitting behind me is a clapped out 1987 Fiero GT. So I've been wanting a project car for a long time now. My first thought was I was going to go with like a Eclipse or like a 3000 GT or a Trans Am, but then I found this Fiero. The backstory behind that is my dad, I asked him, what's your dream car? If money was no object, what would your dream car be? You know what this man says? He said a 1987 Pontiac Fiero GT. Specifically black with silver trim on the bottom. I was like, what? I said, money's no object here, Dad. But I guess nostalgia is pretty powerful because he said growing up, that's a car everybody wanted. Maybe not everybody, but him. He said his friend had one and he thought it was the coolest thing ever. He's had many chances to buy one himself, but he just never has for whatever reason. I thought, what a better first project car than to get my dad his dream car and rebuild it. Insert the clip of giving my dad this dream car for his birthday, and the understanding that it is a project car and it might take a year before I hand it over. However, the video can be pretty emotional if you're an emotional type of person. So get your Kleenex ready. I'm joking. But seriously, it was one of the coolest experiences ever to be able to do something like this for my dad. He's believed in me since day one, no matter what I was doing. And he's been my biggest supporter through all the ups and downs, as well as my mom, of course. Also, I want to preface that I got him to the shop by asking him to help me move something off the water jet. So he came after work. So when we opened the door to the shop, I acted like I got a phone call from my brother-in-law. I was like, oh, yeah. I'm sorry, I totally spaced. Yep. Okay, yep. I'll film that real quick. I was like, hung up. Hey, Dad, I need to film this intro real quick. Just hold the phone. And so I gave him the phone. It's recording. Just film, point it at me. What's up, guys?
At this moment, I forgot what to say.
Episode, just wanted to let you guys know that I'm in a point in my life where I've been beyond blessed and I have a lot of people to thank. I've been wanting a project car for a long time. At this point in my life, I am just grateful and want to spread the love. So today, I'm going to get my dad's reaction because I bought him his dream car, a 1987 Pontiac Fiero GT. What? Check it out, Dad. Dude. Wow. It's definitely a work in progress, but I'm going to get it to the exact dream spec, just like it came off the showroom floor. Dude, give me a hug, buddy. Love you, Dad. Love you. I love you, too. You deserve this for everything you've done for me my whole life to get me to this point, and you've always believed in me. So, thank you. This right here is my 87 Fiero GT. So this car obviously needs a lot of work. I'm going to do the whole interior, the roof, pretty much everything top to bottom. I'm going to strip this car. Look at all the wiring everywhere. It is a manual, which is cool. And it does have the sunroof, which leaks, which is not cool. Somebody spray painted the doors. This is all messed up. It's pretty rough. and honestly, it kind of stunk in here. Plan for the interior, strip it down, keep it OEM-ish, with a few modern upgrades, obviously, and get rid of all the stinky, moldy shit that's in the interior right now. Honestly, I can't find much aftermarket parts for a Fiero, so I think I'm going to have to get creative here. The interior is where he's going to be spending most of his time with this car, and so I want to make it perfect for him. Tuesday's on a vacation far away. Nah, but for real, it's going to be mint. As far as the exterior of the car, I want to not make it into a Ferrari. So I'm going to also keep that as much OEM as I can, but make a few upgrades here and there. I want to do a custom exhaust. Look into getting a supercharger kit for this. As you can see, this is going to take quite a lot of work. Got a huge parts list for this thing. Wheels and tires, definitely going to have to change those. Maybe a bigger wheel, thinner tire, not sure yet. Some coilovers, brake kit. I'm going to powder coat almost every piece under this car, so it's going to look really fresh. Sandblast it too first. Get a new windshield, mirrors, some body work done. Well, I say some, but really it's going to be a shitload. Really just a list of multiple things that's going to make this car really pop. Upgrade the headlights, tail lights, all that stuff. Definitely keeping the pop-ups. This is one of those cars that's going to be near and dear to me. It did create that special moment with me and my dad on being able to do something like this for him. All the work and sweat and grit that I'm going to put into this. In the end, it's going to be one badass Fiero. Now is your time to insert hate comments about Fieros. Everybody's got their own opinion. In the end, it's going to turn out amazing. I have the vision in my head already. If you want to roll with me on this journey, go ahead, follow, like, subscribe. If not, then obviously restoring cars isn't my full-time gig, so it's going to take me probably about a year or so, I would assume, to get this to how I want it to be. For anyone wondering, my brother-in-law's RX-7 is still under construction, so be sure to stay tuned. You think this will fit in the Fiero? Thank you for all the love and support. If you have any comments down below, leave them there. And I'd love to hear what you think. Motherfucker better not burn down, I swear.